Never in my life see this kind of crosswind in a motorcycle, man. Motorcycle is trying to put me off-road. Stop in the middle of nowhere just to get fresh a little bit from that small fan in front of me. I just stopped to make this little video for you guys. All good so far. I am 3 hours away from Regina, Canada. If you guys are enjoying it, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's really, really important for our channel. I would say motivation. Thank you very much for watching. Guys, that's the second time I'm going for a ride. I'm trying all different mics. You see, I have to prove to my audience, to my subscribers, that I really care. Man, I should be on the road. I spent almost 1 hour here in Regina just to get a nice mic, because this kind of expedition we cannot have problem with the audio at all, right? Going to my third ride, testing again microphones. I will be running behind from my next stop, which would be Moose Jaw. It's a small town. Guys, because this microphone, I will reach this rain. If it wasn't, you know, I spent 1 hour inside of Regina trying to find this mic, but now I have mic, but I will get soaked. You know what, I will not even stop to put my raincoat. Water is good to wash the soul. There you go. Hey guys, finally I made it by Moose Jaw. It's about to be dropping. It will be raining so hard, and I was lucky to get a small room here in this Travelodge. I ended up not accepting that hotel. Pretty bad. I'm going to another one that there is a pool, you know, at least I can relax my muscle after a long ride. Guys, after more than 400 miles, I finally found a very decent hotel. The rate is not so bad. I'm paying 130 Canadian dollar, and since I left New York on Saturday, that's the first time I'm really getting a decent hotel with bathtub, jacuzzi, swimming pool and everything. After like 10 hours riding a motorcycle, it's priceless to get this hot water here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, guys. Thumbs up. Good morning, everybody. How are you? This is Ricardo. Just showing you the hotel I spent the night last night. In location is Moose Jaw, Canada. That's all my things that I have to set in my motorcycle, and in a little while I am going to Calgary. Let's hit the road. I would like to apologize because I'm running behind 1 or 2 days. It's not easy to be downloading the videos from my GoPro because those places that I'm passing through, the internet signal, it's so weak, it's terrible. But most of them from my GoPro, and it's very heavy videos. But be calm. I'm sending all the material to my guy in Brazil, and he's doing the edition and everything for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like, click like, thumbs up, and if I deserve it, subscribe as well. It's a very help for my channel. Stay tuned. Let me go to Calgary. Thank you. I'm heading to my motorcycle to load it up and put everything and make sure I did not forget anything. This hotel is very nice. That's the swimming pool where I was relaxing last night. Over there we have a hot tub, and believe me or not, it was not so pricey. I paid, I think, 130 Canadian dollar. Anyways, let's go to the motorcycle. After all, I was able to figure it out. The problem in my external mic. I will make a special tutorial YouTube video to explain that. I've been hitting my head in the wall in the past 7 days. I bought 3 different microphones, GoPro adapter, and none of them was working. But I will tell you the big secret. Anyways, I'm just leaving Moose Jaw, heading to Calgary. It's gonna be a fun trip. It's kind of 6 hours, not a big deal. And tomorrow will be the day. I will arrive in Banff, I will go to Jasper, and then the scenery, it's absurd, it's so beautiful. Stay tuned. That's my 8th day in my New York, Alaska expedition. It's my 6th time doing this. Thank you, guys. Folks, this is your captain speaking. We are cruising the altitude of 40,000 feet, speed limit of 70 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour, oh my goodness. In Canada it's 60 kilometers per hour. You better do something about it, Captain. Anyways, guys, I left Moose Jaw 5 minutes ago, and I'm heading to Calgary. We should be landing there in 6 hours and 10 minutes. My goodness, this train, it's so long, big and composed. Hello everybody, I left Moose Jaw 2 hours ago. I just stopped to put some gas, and my final destination today will be Calgary, Canada. Stay tuned. Guys, this one is really scary. Remember I was saying about the wind, crosswind? I'm trying to find a gas station. I just can't find it. Let me put my rain gear on. Hey folks, notice how windy it is. Pay attention to the handlebar. I am 73 miles per hour, but the wind is so strong. Guys, that's really scary. I may have about 80 miles gas remaining. Hopefully I will make it in 30 minutes to the next town, because I don't want to go through it. It's so windy, crosswind, big time. And look this weather. It's pretty crazy. God bless us. This crosswind. Look the motorcycle. Oh my goodness. Guys, can you see that? I am 3 hours from Calgary. Never in my life see this kind of crosswind in a motorcycle, man. Motorcycle is trying to put me off-road. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. A group of hardy guys just stopped right here, but the first one in the right side broke down. I just made it to Calgary. I just parked my motorcycle here, and every time I go to Alaska I stop in this particular motel. It's very amazing, very very nice place, and normally it's not so expensive. That's the place I'm staying, Central Motel, Calgary. And let me introduce my room to you all. That's my raincoat. It's very wet. I put all my things here already. I have a very nice and decent bed. Every time when I go to Alaska, that's the place I normally stop. It's a little pricey now. Everything is very expensive. I am paying $200 plus taxes. But you know what? After a crazy day that I had today, scary crosswind, rain, I deserve it. That's the reason I work a lot. Good night, guys. Good morning, Ricardo Carlini in my expedition New York to Alaska. Today it's my 9th day in the whole trip so far. Yesterday I went inside of a crazy thunderstorm. You guys probably saw the video before. The thing is, I slept in Calgary, and I'm just leaving Calgary heading to Banff and Jasper. It's gonna be a fun trip, very beautiful. I will go through Icefield Parkway, which is considered one of the prettiest routes on earth. Stay tuned, I'm leaving right now. Yeah, now I'm gonna put all my things together. I'm just leaving Calgary. Let's go. That's the place I was, and I'll keep you guys posted. get so close to those mountains, I goosebump. I love so much Banff and Jasper, and I always say my real trip to Alaska, it's beginning today. Every single day from now on, it's so pretty, and it's not boring. A lot of curves, wildlife. I mean, thanks God for, you know, for the opportunity to be doing this expedition one more time. 6 times already. And you guys can do it as well. That's my first stop crossing the park. This place is just phenomenal. Icefield Parkway, Jasper National Park. Look at the color of the water. This place is so unbelievable.